Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Cougar from Keystone. This is a model 29RL. It's got 3 slide outs, rear living floor plan, front queen bedroom. This trailer, as you can see, it's like brand new. It's got the fiberglass cap in the front with the LED lights built in, power hitch jack, locking storage compartments, and yes, it is aluminum frame construction. We've got power jacks, solar ready to roll, Furrion solar panel in your off-grid, power awning with outside speakers. There's also LED lights built into the awning arms to light up your campground at night. Here's the model, 29RLK, and the WE stands for Western Edition. This slide out houses a outdoor kitchen as well. We've got a plug-in here, looks like some cable plug-ins, a grill, a refrigerator, which is handy. You can keep all your condiments out here where you use them instead of walking in and out of the trailer all the time. Being a rear living, it does have the large windows in the back. It's camera ready, built-in ladder, LED lights. And here's our slide outs from seen from the back. Let's go inside and give you an idea just how roomy this RV is inside. Got the solid steps too. Those are nice. They're really a stable platform. Look at that. Got a lot of things going on here. Let's start on the left hand side. Freestanding dinette with a huge window right there to enjoy your view. Home theater, anyone? Look at that big TV. Electronic fireplace underneath. Your Furrion receiver in the middle. Cabinet storage. Glass panel cabinets. Wood trim throughout. Rear sofa, bed with nightstands on both sides. We also have USB and plug-ins. Lights overhead. This slide out contains the theater seats, so when you do want to kick back and watch some television, there you go. Cup holders built right in. We got a Dometic refrigerator freezer, pretty good size one. We've got a 3-burner Furrion stove that doesn't appear to have been used. If it has, very minimally. Buttons for our oven. Overhead's the microwave. And this is just neat. This kitchen peninsula comes out here. It's got 2 big farmer-style stainless steel sinks. Gooseneck. The storage in here is just nice to have. Built-in backsplash like a baker's bench here. Lighting built in underneath. Pantry storage. Let's go ahead and head toward the back. It's got the in command here. You can turn like your lights on and water heater, water pump, all finger touch. In the bedroom. Looks like a queen, maybe a little larger. Nightstands on both sides with plug-ins and USB plugs. There's also wardrobes on both sides, as well as this slide out, which is committed for wardrobe storage. Some linen storage for the bathroom. Our shower stall with skylight overhead. Sink, vanity mirror, foot flush toilet. We open this door and we're back in our 2020 Cougar 29RLK right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.